Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Diana here, and I am back out in the garden today. I have a new addition that I'm going to be adding, and if you guys want to watch and see what I got, let's get into it. Okay, so here's the new addition. We have a gooseberry plant. It kind of looks like a grape to me. I've never had this before. I was in Tractor Supply the other day, and I'm always looking for something different, and I came across this. And here's the information, which is saying hardiness zone 4 through 6. I googled this particular gooseberry here, and it says it's good from zones 3 to 7, I believe. So I'm going to go ahead and plant this. It is edible, so this is what I'm going to be using. My bone meal, my fish fertilizer, and I've got to find somewhere out here to plant it. And I'm thinking about planting it over here by the pond somewhere, because I have too much stuff over at my berry patch. And it's supposed to get up to like 5 feet tall. And I'm actually widening this part out here. But I want to find somewhere over here to plant it. So, let me see what I can find. Okay, you guys, so I've decided I'm not going to plant the gooseberry over here by the pond, because I have a plum tree planted over here. And I have extended the border. You can see I've extended the border, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant another plum tree over here. So see how I've extended the border? So I'm going to go ahead and plant. I have a seedling plum tree that I started from a seed, and I already have one plum tree planted here. So I think I'm going to plant one like right in the middle here. So we're gonna find another spot for the gooseberry. Wanted to show you guys my seedlings that I started from a plum seed that I got from the grocery store. I planted 2 of them last fall, 2023, fall of 2023, and both of them came up, you guys. I'm super excited. Well, this is going to be her home right here, you guys. So let's go ahead and get these weeds out the way. Weeds out the way. Hey, you got to make fun out here now. You can't be all sad and depressed. You got to be happy. Dig our hole. Dirt here. Alright, so I'm getting this hole dug out here. I have some compost in that 5-gallon fabric pot, and I'm going to put my amendments in that and mix it with the native soil and get it all nice and mixed up. And I'm just enjoying this, you guys. I love working in the yard. And it satisfies me to know that I'm out here planting things that my grandkids will be able to use in the future. And then hopefully their kids. So this is an investment to me, you guys. I'm trying to build a food forest out here because times is getting hard, and I'm trying to prepare. So I'm out here getting it in. Alright, I think that's good enough. We're going to get some of this compost right there. I'm going to put some of this all-purpose. Just got a little left. I got to get some more of this, you guys. Got a little bit left here. Let me get it down in here. Your plant needs some food. Alright, we'll put this bone meal down in here. If I can get it open. Oh gosh. this right here should give you, oh, a butterfly. And this right here should give your plant a fighting chance, you guys. So we're gonna mix a little bit of this native soil down in there. Gotta get down in here with your hands. All right, let's get her planted. Here we go. Gooseberry going in today. She ready to go in. Woo. Put some of this, I'm gonna use the soil that came with it too. All right, so there's your root system. I don't know if you guys can see it, but all right. So the next step, give her a good soaking of some fish fertilizer. All right, you guys, so we got her done. The gooseberry is now planted and complete. Check her out. There she is. This is her new home. I appreciate you guys watching and your support to my channel. Make sure to hit that like button and the notification bell. And until next time, I'll be seeing y'all.